All right, welcome back to part two of our pressure washer project here. We got the pump installed, which was very easy. It's got an internal key and an external keyway cut into the shaft, and you put the square key on there and slide it on and you're good to go. Bolt it down with these 4 socket head cap screws. And I have installed about a 4 or 5 foot pigtail here onto the water inlet just to make it easier to reach down and get it hooked up. And now we're on the final stages here. We're going to take the outlet valve here and put a quick connect on it. I've got this little piece of chrome pipe from the Home Depot, and I'm going to slather it good with Rector Seal, which is real good professional grade pipe dope. And we're going to put our quick connect outlet on it, screw it on, screw this in, and that's going to put our outlet out here where it also would be a lot easier to fool with, a lot easier to get to. Let's get it tightened up. Then we're going to take this puppy out and run it, see what she does. Kind of awkward to get to this. All right, that ought to be tight enough. Okay, we're going to crank this baby up, turn the water on, see what we got. Let me get the water. Hope she'll fire up. Choke on, a little bit of throttle. Oop. A little more gas. What's that about?